There's more sticker evidence that I haven't seen. What? Well, you can see my PPF line that they put on here, and then it comes up around the wheel arch, up the bumper, and ends there. That's nice, but I'm seeing this evidence of more stickers that were on here that I'd never noticed before. So that's interesting. I guess I need to work a little buff and polish. Hey guys, what is up? It's Biff, and today I'm at Precision Detailing in St. Jacobs, Missouri. And we are gonna get the car rewrapped on the front, the number 35, and all the track wear and everything that has gone on with this rough life that the car had for the first 2 years is gonna be taken care of, and it's gonna look beautiful and new. And Sean Jaworski is the guy who is hooking me up with this. I say hooking me up. I'm gonna be shedding some dollars here, but it's worth it. It's gonna give me the peace of mind with these new headlights, new marker lights, DRLs, front camera, just to protect everything. And it's gonna be done better than it was the first time around. So I'm dropping it off now, and I'm not gonna be here for the process, but once I get back, I'll go ahead and walk through the process with you, and we'll see how it looks. Stay tuned. Is this your new whip?
Yeah. Put everything I own on.
It is.
Yeah. Everything here will get wrapped. I mean, you won't see any seams on the hood. We'll actually take headlights out. We'll wrap all the edges in here.
Actually take them out, okay.
Yep, we'll pop those out. Make sure this is as seamless as possible. We'll pop the bumper, if not take it off, because I can tuck everything in here so you don't have double seams.
Yeah, and then these, like I said, I just put these in new, and the camera, because they were...
Yeah, we'll cover those.
They were chewed up. One thing I was going to ask you, I don't know. That is crooked. It has always bugged me.
Yep, we take that off.
I figure you take it off, so it'll probably go back perfect anyway.
It's
then.
2 8mm underneath.
Somebody had opened the wiper back here, or run the wiper with the hood open, and it left a big black mark there. It feels like it actually went through the PPF.
Yeah,
they cleaned it up.
It tore it.
Yeah,
but it looked like it saved it. From doing any actual damage.
So they actually wrapped the back of the hood, and that's about it.
Yeah, no, we'll wrap everything. Besides like your partial hood or partial roof and pillars, this is probably the only seam you're gonna see.
Because it was on the track, every edge has black, because this thing, I still pull tire rubber out from it. I'll show you a picture of it. You can see it's so dirty, but you can see, I know you guys will see it. I see it all the time. This slide isn't getting it real good, but there's a big 35 here. I'll show the picture of it. Yeah, where the and that's just where the number sticker was protecting the PPF, but everything else, I mean, it's so dirty, but when I look at it here, you can see all the pitting in the front just from this just being peppered constantly. I had to open up the radiators because they were so smashed flat, with a pick and stuff. But so unfortunately, I didn't really get to walk you through the process because, as you can see by the suitcases and computer bag sitting in front of the car, I was immediately leaving for the airport. So Sean was nice enough to send me some of these clips so that I could get some views of how the process went. What you're seeing is the finished product, and in fact, 4 weeks later on when we bring it back so that we can get our checkup and make sure that this is 100% right. The 911 looks absolutely fantastic. After Sean did this job, he tried to let it set in the sun and bake a little bit. And then immediately the next day, I took it on a probably 700 to 1,000 mile round trip, road trip. And on the day we left, of course, it was raining. So in the rain on a less than fully cured PPF, but they did such a fantastic job that it has performed flawlessly. I kept it for 4 weeks and brought it back as recommended for the checkup. And they went ahead and took care of any of the edges that might not have been tucked quite right. Got everything perfect. Applied the GTS stickers that got peeled off when they took off the previous PPF off the bottom of the doors. And now the car is whole again. And as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. And I have peace in mind and had peace in mind on that road trip of knowing that at least these super expensive headlights are protected. My new DRLs, the entire front surface, and there are no more sticker marks on this hood, which it just looks amazing. Not to mention all of the pitting that had occurred in the PPF here from the sandblasting. That is all taken care of. The car's not perfect. It still has some underlying blemishes from things that have hit it through those couple of years. But I couldn't be happier with how this went on, how much better the car looks, how much glossier, and how much more pop it has. And I gotta send a huge shout out to Precision Detailing and Sean Jaworski. If you live in the St. Louis area or southwestern Illinois, do yourself a favor and get your car over to Precision Detailing. Let these guys hook you up with a perfectly professional job that will protect your car and keep it looking its best for years to come. Huge shout out to these guys, and thank you for allowing us to bring in the 911 and giving us such an amazing finished product. And I hope you guys will keep coming back to Fearless Mods and checking out our content, because we're gonna keep putting stuff out on the 911, and who knows what else is gonna be coming at you. There's always something. Please reach down there and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and give us a like, share, and we'll catch you again on the next one. Take care.